There's somebody calling.
Wait bro, let me finish my stuff. Hi ma'am, I'm Brent Nathaniel Viloria from BSIT 1B and I'm from Mumulaan, Baway, Ilocos Norte. And I recently graduated at Academy of St. Joseph in Claveria, Cagayan.
Do have hobbies such as playing Mobile Legends. Mobile Legends excites me with its fast-paced actions, strategy, and teamwork. Basketball keeps me active and sharp, helping me improve both physically and mentally. I would rate my English writing skills, it would be a solid 8. And of course, I love to sleep.